UNICEF USA's online car donation program. Donate your vehicle and you can help support UNICEF's mission for children. Operating through Vehicle Donation Partner Advanced Remarketing Services, ARS, UNICEF USA accepts almost all automobile donations, as well as most ATVs, boats, construction machinery, farming machinery, motorcycles, motorhomes, personal watercraft such as jet skis, planes, recreational vehicles, snowmobiles, SUVs, trailers, trucks and vans. Boats and planes may require a screening call to ensure they meet the donation criteria. The best part, UNICEF USA ensures that the majority of the vehicle's value, generally 80% of gross dollars raised, actually goes to charity, more than most other car donation programs found online. The remaining 20% covers administration and logistics fees for the title transfer, towing and documentation of your donation. Tips about donating your car to charity. Your vehicle does not need to be running, however it must be whole, as in not missing major parts. If applicable, your vehicle must have all tires filled with air so that it can be towed away. Your vehicle does not need to be registered in your name, as the name on the title and the name on registration documents often differ. For more information, contact Car Donation Wizard at 1-855-487-3863. Depending on the value of the vehicle donated, you may be eligible for a tax deduction. If the car is worth $5,000 or more, an independent appraisal may be necessary. The donor would need to complete Section B of IRS Form 8283. Always consult your tax advisor or the IRS for more information about how you can claim charitable deductions. IRS materials are accessible at www.irs.gov and telephone ordering at 1-800-829-3676. Why UNICEF? Operating in over 190 countries and territories with 13,000 dedicated staffers, UNICEF has helped save more children's lives than any other humanitarian organization. UNICEF has over 75 years of experience, responding to about 300 emergencies a year. UNICEF is leading the equitable, global distribution of COVID-19 vaccines. With the largest humanitarian supply warehouse in the world, UNICEF can ship to anywhere within 72 hours. UNICEF's buying power has lowered the cost of immunization and other health necessities. UNICEF USA supports UNICEF's mission through fundraising, education and advocacy. UNICEF USA is a recognized and trusted charity that receives the highest ratings for transparency, accountability and administration on Charity Navigator, and is consistently the top national committee funding UNICEF's work. Of every dollar spent, 88 cents goes toward helping children. Donating your used car to charity is a convenient way to dispose of an old vehicle while reaping tax benefits. According to New York-based salvage company Cash Auto Salvage, charities recycle non-working vehicles for their scrap metal and parts, potentially bringing in a few $100s for a charity. But, according to vehicle paint meter manufacturer Fender Splendor, working vehicles bring in even more. Charities sell them at auction for anywhere from $300 to $3,500 on average. Plus, donating your vehicle lets you skip the hassle of trying to sell the car yourself while still allowing you the financial benefits of tax deduction. In fact, the most challenging